To begin with your embroidery kit, take the butter paper with the outline of the drawing, place it behind the fabrics. Now take the awl pins in the kit and pierce it both through the fabric and the paper and bring it back from the other side to secure your paper in place for further drawing. Now find a light source where the light comes from behind, such as a window, so that you can see through the fabric and trace the design on it. Make sure to use a sharpened pencil to make crisp lines so that they are not seen after you make the stitches. Now that you're done with the drawing, detach your fabric from the paper and it's time to place it in the hoop. First of all, place your fabric on the smaller circle of the hoop. Place the bigger circle on the top and secure it with the screw on top. Make sure your fabric is taut and tightly secured. After you've placed your fabric in the hoop, take your desired color of the thread and cut 4 to 6 inches of it. There are 6 strands in each embroidery floss, but we need only 2 strands. So take out the 2 strands like this, and you have to now put it through the hole in the needle. At first, it might come as a challenge, but with practice and slowly you'll be able to put it through. As you put your thread to the needle, one side of it will be longer and the other side will be short. This longer side, you need to make a knot so that when you make your first stitch, it does not come out. Now you're all set to begin your embroidery on your design. Thank you.